Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be detailing our minivan after a trip to the beach. And you might be wondering, it's just a trip to the beach. Why do you have to detail it a special way? Or right away? Well, if you didn't know, if you live on the beach, it's really hot. So what does that do? It opens up the pores in your paint, and so now your paint pores are open, and then it's gonna get the salty moisture, which it rained while we were over there, so now it's hot, pores are open, salt moisture gets into the paint, which can then corrode the paint over time, especially if you leave it there for an extended amount of time. And yeah, your car will just start rusting away. So make sure you clean your car on time. I guess this could be a quick, 6-month update on the Polish Angel coating that I have on this car. So here we go, let's check it out. It rained on the way back and it rained on the way there, so the car isn't extremely dirty because it's ceramic coated, but we are still gonna do the spray down, which we did already, and we're just gonna be using CarPro Reset in the foam cannon along with the bucket method. So here's a question I often get from people that are new to detailing is, do you have to rinse off the foam, or can you just clean over it? Well, let me know in the comments down below what you prefer and what your process is. But me personally, I just rinse it off in this video because, like I said, I went to the beach. There's bug contaminants and road film, road grime. So I want to get all that off before I do the contact wash. But if it was just a normal maintenance wash, yeah, I'd probably just foam it up and wash over it and then rinse it off. And the Sienna is now done being washed, and I just wanted to show you guys how well the Hydro 2 light is working on the windows. So watch this. Yeah, that's pretty nuts. The coating is holding up pretty well. Some of the high impact areas obviously needs some love. Polish Angel said it was supposed to last at least 12 months, and I think it will. We'll show you here. Yeah, it's still sheeting well and beating up well. So I would say it will last 12 months. Hydro 2 light working well. Dark side on the tires working well. And yeah, let's get this baby dried up. It's pretty shiny, or pretty hot and sunny outside, so let's get this done.
We can chase the sun down south to Mexico. Got them sounds, tell me what you want to hear.
And here she is, all washed. I didn't use Hydro 2 light this time around because I think it's still alright. Other than that, the car looks pretty good. But we still have to do the inside. But I gotta pick my dog up from the groomer. See, it's pretty nasty in here. Not bad. And yep. Hold on, we'll be right back for the interior. Just got my dog detailed, so now I can get my interior detailed. Hi, Sakura. Hi, doggy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on, let's go home. Yeah, go home, Sakura. Thank you. Thank you, doggy. Alright, here we go. Doing the interior. We had our dog in here. There's a lot of dog hair. It looks like it should be pretty easy because we have the rubber floor mat. But you can see there's some dog hair here. If you constantly have a dog in your car, this thing will freaking help you out so much. It's pretty easy. You just whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. See, and it like helps dislodge the dog hair from the carpet, and some of them get stuck in here, but now you can just vacuum it. So this seat is pretty nasty. This is the princess chair, and she just does whatever she wants in there. But it's fine. Her dad knows a good detailer, I guess. So I didn't get to power wash these floor mats. I just didn't have time. That's what happens when you have two crazy kids. And you gotta try to go somewhere. You gotta get ready at least 2 hours before you actually have to leave. So normally I'll just grab the rubber floor mats out, and whatever drops I'll vacuum it. But this time there was sand all over it, and if you get sand on your carpet, it can be very difficult to remove. So now this is clean, and we're just gonna clean up over here, vacuum it up. And as you can see, the seats, yuck, it's got stuff all over it. For the interior trim, you're gonna want to use an attachment like this, where it has soft bristles, so it'll pick up dust and whatever from the dashboard, the trim. This tool is actually really good for vacuuming between the seams of your seats. If you don't have one of this, then you would use a brush, an interior brush, and brush the seam as you vacuum it up. But with this, it's essentially a 2-in-1 tool, and highly recommend it. Super awesome. I'll link it down below. This is also good to have if you have large areas that need to be vacuumed with dog hair. It's called Lily Brush, and I'll put the link below, but as you can see, it's pulling a lot of hair and lint. So I've been thinking lately, and I think now I'm gonna try to get the YouTube channel monetized now that I'm not detailing out of my garage anymore. That's kind of like, it's not really lost income because I really just used the money to help upgrade the garage so I can provide a better service for people. You know, any extra money that I had, I donated it to certain charities, local ones, and I did a giveaway once or twice. Not many people commented, so it was pretty easy who won. It was like one of two people, and I think they both won. So whatever my daughter spilled on here, it was, I don't know, maybe chocolate, but whatever it was melted. It was absolutely disgusting. But the seat's ceramic coated, so it was pretty easy to clean. Just had to agitate it with a soft bristle brush and CarPro inside. So for the interior windows, I use Clarify, not the Clarify Phobic, because it doesn't really need to be hydrophobic inside. So what I'll do is I'll spray it on the mitt, and outside I'll scrub the other way, like this way, so that you can see if there's any streaks from the outside or the inside. You're not getting confused. So after you clean it with the waffle part, you turn it around and you have the microfiber part, and you just wipe clean like so. There we go. My goodness, it looks so good. And last but not least, make sure you wipe down the door jambs so that it doesn't look disgusting over time. Doesn't it look so much better when it's all clean? Even down here, I mean, yeah, maybe it's overkill, but look how nasty that is. You just don't want it to build up over time, because then it'll be way harder to clean. Way quicker to just do it now. It's looking pretty good. Door jambs are nice and clean. And the trunk jambs also get overlooked often, and then you'll get buildup like around here over time, and it looks disgusting, and it'll look like a rat's nest. It'll be difficult to clean as a detailer, so they might charge you extra. I guess while I'm cleaning the door jambs, I just wanted to say something about, I don't know, in the detailing world, I've seen some flyers where they advertise cleaning the door jambs as an additional fee. Like, dude, seriously? It doesn't take that long. What do you think? You as a consumer, would you pay extra to clean the door jambs? Or do you think it should be included in the price of the detail? Now you could say maybe they'll charge more. So is that something you're willing to do if they charge more but they clean the door jambs, or would you rather pay for it separately? So I'll tell you, when I detailed people's cars for fun, I just did it. I didn't charge more, I didn't charge less, just because I feel like that's part of detailing, is the door jambs. It's just such an overlooked aspect of the car. Like, I'm not asking you to polish that, because that would be pretty insane, but at least keep it looking clean. And there you have it, guys. fully detailed inside and out after a beach trip. Make sure you follow the steps in this video if you would like to preserve your car, keep it looking neat and tidy. Obviously you don't have to do a full detail like that every weekend, but at least every once in a while it would be wise to do so, so your van or your car doesn't end up smelling like you know what. All right. Yeah, she's looking pretty good, guys. This is Sakura's bed. I gotta bring it in. Alright, bye-bye.